Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am packaging up a Christmas swap that I am in with Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic. I'm going to show you what I'm sending her, and then I'm going to wrap some of the items, and then I'm going to attempt to package everything in the flat rate mailer that I picked up from the post office. Let's dive into what I'm going to be sending her. The first thing is the Recollections cardstock. It's Jolly Holidays. Some sticker cute tags. This cute little angel that you can cut out and it sits up on its own. This stamp set from Recollections. In this little sleeve, I'm sending some princess stickers. And I'm just going to put a little tag on here for her granddaughter. In this little music envelope, I'm sharing a variety of die cuts, a selection from my stash. Hopefully she will be able to put to good use. In this envelope, I'm gifting her some paper snowflakes and these candy cane stickers. In this envelope, penguin stickers, some Christmas gems, some snowflake gems, winter paper clips, and this big snowflake die. In this little package, I'm sending her some Christmas stickers, just a variety from my existing stash. Handmade this envelope. And inside I'm sending ephemera pieces. And in this envelope, I'm sending her some star sequin. In this envelope, which I also handmade, I am sending her some fun tags. I am sending her an embellishment box, wooden pieces, some clips, some Christmas buttons, different kinds of clips. I included some hairpins, Christmas paper clips. We have some gems and some brads, some different kinds of buttons, Santa hats, and some stars. There's some stickers down there. In here I have some red and green sequin, and in here I have some leaves that are in green, red, and white, along with the centers for the flowers. Some pom-poms, some wood veneer pieces. In here I have some gems and some Christmas flatbacks that I made, some metal snowflakes and Christmas twine, along with some gold hearts. This package of wood Christmas buttons, snowflakes. This is the gold and silver and the white, Christmas ribbon and washi. These 2 tubes for her to share in Happy Mail, a bottle of glitter. I picked up these 2 stamps, a package of Christmas candies, and in here I made some Christmas rosettes. And this is the bag topper that I made for the packaging. I am sending her a tag flip. On some of the tags, I've included goodies on the back. Here's some of my dewdrops, and hopefully some of these items she'll be able to reuse in her projects and in her Happy Mail. Here I've included some stickers under the belly band. On this side I made some of the Christmas cookie ephemera as well as the little Christmas trees. A sequin mix on the back of this one, some die cuts on this one, some snowmen stickers, 3D ones, and in this little envelope I included some ephemera pieces. And I included some stickers on the back And then just using a pear pin, I've included some Christmas trim pieces, and I made a little dangle using just some twine. Nice chunky tag flip. This is the handmade Christmas card that I'll be sending her inside the package as well. Thank you all so much for stopping by my craft room. I hope you enjoy this Christmas swap Happy Mail package and packaging with me. Thank you guys again for stopping by, and have a great day.